Welcome to the Gilder Lehrman AP African American Studies Guide. This guide features primary sources from the Gilder Lehrman collection with additional sources from archives and collections around the world. It also includes essays and videos by scholars across the field of African American studies, maps, works of art, and infographics to help illuminate your study of the course's 4 units, from the origins of the African diaspora to Afrofuturism in the present day. The guide is completely free to students, educators, and parents. The guide is comprised of 4 units, aligning with the 4 units of the AP African American Studies course. Each of the 4 units is divided into sections connecting course topics together. To access resources in the guide, click the section you are interested in investigating, or click from unit to unit and section to section in the navigation bar. Each topic includes learning objectives identified by the College Board, essential terms, people, places, and organizations, required sources identified by the College Board, which typically make up approximately 40% of the exam, and additional resources curated by the Gilder Lehrman Institute. Click on the image or link for the resources you would like to examine, and the resource will pop up on screen. The guide also includes more than 80 videos in the Black History in 2 Minutes or So series, hosted by Henry Louis Gates Jr., and featuring an array of scholars in condensed, engaging, and fact-packed presentations organized by topic in the Featured Videos section. This is further supplemented by interactive learning resources from our partners at New American History and Bunk to help explore America's past and harness the power of digital media, curiosity, and inquiry. Click Explore Activity to view these learning resources in a new tab. Along with navigating topic by topic, you can also examine resources across units in our resource library, accessible at the bottom of the landing page, or in the Test Prep Additional Resources section of the navigation bar, which will also include videos outlining strategies for all aspects of the exam and the independent student project, and practice questions for the multiple choice section of the exam. In the resource library, you can filter for resources in any of the course's 4 themes, look at sources across the 4 units, examine specific resource types, or search using keywords to identify sources on major places, people, and concepts featured in the course. We hope you find the AP African American Studies Guide useful as you prepare for the exam. If you have any questions or feedback, please email us at education@gilderlehrman.org. From all of us at the Gilder Lehrman Institute of American History, happy studying and good luck!